Hello everyone, welcome back to Shifting News, a brilliant channel on a mission to showcase amazing videos and create wonderful shows from different places, cities, countries, and touching on different personalities that are shaping the way we live. Africa has a slow progress on social indicators, and according to some economists, this can be linked to the commitment of governments in solving the continent's food insecurity issue. African countries are dealing with an increasing number of food emergencies and problems like climate change, which only make the problem worse. We can attest to this with the recent changes in temperatures around Nairobi and most places of the country. Most people have complained about high temperatures during the night and also during the day. The Millennium Development Goals are an international effort which were established by the 189 United Nations member states in 2000 with the goal of reducing poverty and hunger around the world. The MDGs were created to be achieved by 2015. The goals are related to poverty and hunger, education, gender equality, maternal health, child mortality, disease, environment sustainability, and global partnership for development. The MDGs have been successful in some aspects, but not all goals have been met. There is still a lot of work that needs to be done in order to eradicate poverty and hunger worldwide. In order to achieve most of the MDGs and the Big Four agenda within the framework of Vision 2030, Kenya has partnered with international bodies to ensure positive growth. Infrastructural development has been a big consideration, especially for roads. And one of such revolutions is the Nairobi Expressway. The Nairobi Expressway started as an idea in which the problem of traffic congestion is to be solved. A panel sat down and the idea was also discussed with an international committee to establish how such a masterpiece can be funded. And finally, the construction started in October 2019, and in this video, we try to analyze the journey by reviewing the aerial views in different stages. Be sure to watch until the end. Like it, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you're visiting us for the first time. The Nairobi Expressway is an ambitious and highly anticipated project which will be the first expressway in Kenya. It will connect the capital city to the country's international airport and open up access to various parts of the country. The construction of the Nairobi Expressway is underway in the final stages, and we have been here to keep you updated. The Waiyaki area from ABC Place to CBD section was a dual carriageway and initially with trees in the median section. The project broke ground in October 2019 thanks to China Road and Bridge Corporation being the contractor. CRBC is responsible for the design, financing, and construction of the road under a public-private partnership framework. Excavators, rollers, graders, loaders, and bulldozers were busy doing preliminary groundwork on the area. There was the clearing of the median lane, digging of holes to lay the pillars or columns, the actual laying of the pillars in different sections, the setting of beams along the pillars, And now we head the continuous elevated section. Then came laying of the security measures like the guardrails and the tarmacking of the road. And then the project faced the reality of miscellaneous costs. The costs have risen from the initial approximate of 65.2 billion Kenya shillings to what we have now, about 88 billion Kenya shillings. From the aerial views, you see how the road has been transforming with time, and appreciate the impact it brings to the Nairobi skyline. Continue watching as you appreciate the progress that has been made so far. Like this video, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you are visiting us for the first time.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift. Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
We are all eager to start using the expressway once it is commissioned for the public use. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share, comment, subscribe and click the notification bell to get all notifications once we upload a new video. Hoping to see you in our next video.
Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.